Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Claude AI to build luxury real estate website. So yeah, let's get straight into it. So to build a luxury real estate website with Claude, what we are going to do is basically think of Claude as your project manager, copywriter, expert web developer, all in one. So because luxury real estate requires a high-end visual aesthetics and pixel-perfect design, you will want to leverage some Claude as 4.6 Sonnet or maybe Opus 4.7 also. Also, you can turn on adaptive thinking. Now, yeah, let's go step by step and we will see what we get at the end. So before we start coding, use Claude to plan the premium user experience. So this is UX design and high-end brand messaging. So let's put something like this into our prompt right here. So act as an expert UX designer and copywriter for luxury real estate brands like Sotheby's. I want to build a website for ultra high net worth audience and so on. All right, this is the first step. Now I will put into the same prompt the second step, which will be basically code the front end layout. So here we will have HTML, CSC, CSS, and so on. Okay, so we will type in here, write a fully responsive modern homepage for luxury real estate uh, website using Tailwind CSS and HTML5. It must include a sticky minimalist navigation bar, an immersive full screen hero section with placeholder image layout, a sleek featured properties grid, a testimonial slider, and a private agent booking forum. Make it look clean, dark, and highly premium. Show me the result in an artifact. Right, this is the second step. Now, luxury is in the details, so we can ask also Claude to implement smooth premium transitions, interactive elements, and custom widgets. All right, so let's first run this prompt right here. We will need to wait a few moments that Claude do his own work. So as you can see now, we got here on the right side basically the whole web page um, that what like we have uh, type right here into the prompt. Now what we can also do, we can also fix things afterward. So let's say we can change something or we can add something new. So let me paste this code right here. As you can see, in the previous code, replace the standard property grid with an interactive React component that allows user seamlessly switch between viewing property floor plans, 3D virtual tour overviews, and an amenities checklist without reloading the page. And we just send this to Claude to start working on it. Now we can go on and on and on with those prompts to fix this our website until we are happy with it. And when we are happy with this look of the web page and the work behind those web, so backend code, we can simply download the whole project here. As you can see, at the end of every end of the prompt, basically Claude will give you option of code, so source code HTML right here. And yeah, when you download it, you can upload it to host like Netlify, Vercel to put it live. So this is one option, or if you have tools like Webflow or WordPress, you can put into it. So if you have Webflow or WordPress, you can also ask Claude something like this. I will put into the prompt. So give me exact custom CSS and HTML embed code blocks to recreate these exact premium slides inside Webflow, for example, and you will get those codes and you can paste it further into Webflow. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.